Hey sugar babies, welcome back to another video. So today we're doing a hair tutorial. So I've already put the wig on and starting to measure the ear tabs, but first off I want to tell you guys the specs on this wig, and they will also be in the description box below. So yeah, this wig is a 30-inch body wave lace front wig, and it came pre-plucked and it was 180 density, and it's a 13x4 transparent HD lace. And so yeah, this wig was actually given 30 inches, and I've never had 30 inches before, so we love that. And yeah, so first I am, cutting the ear tabs, and the next thing I did was use the Got To Be glued spray or freeze spray, whatever you want to say. I used that first to lay the wig down, and then I put on my wig band, and then I also took the blow dryer to it and I did it on the cool low setting. I didn't want to use heat because I feel like it was just gonna make it take a little bit longer to dry, so I typically use the cool low setting on the blow dryer. So next, just take off the wig band because I did it for 30 minutes, and what you want to do is comb the hair out of the crunchiness from the spray. And then next you just want to cut off the extra lace, and then proceed to add your makeup and then add more lace spray. Make sure you cut it in a zigzag motion. You don't want to do it straight across, otherwise it's going to look like you have a wig on, and that's not what we want. We want it to look like it's coming straight out of our scalp. So you're going to have some parts that will come up, so just go back in with that freeze spray and lay it down, and then use your blow dryer to lay it back down. So this is where I said you want to add your makeup before you put on the lace spray or melting spray, whatever spray you want to use to melt the lace. So I got this from the beauty supply store, and it's I believe it's the Ruby Kisses. Yeah, I think it's the Ruby Kisses, and it's in the shade level 10. So make sure you get the shade that best matches your skin tone, or you can use some foundation. And this is the spray that I'm using to melt my lace. I know we have excommunicated with ebin, so yeah, I'm gonna just use this because this is what I have, and I'm gonna use it until it's gone. So yeah, I'm just spraying this on my finger, and I got tired of spraying on my finger, so I just started spraying it on the lace. And you have to be pretty quick with this because your wig will start to lift, so be pretty quick with it. And then put your lace band on, and I did let it sit for about an hour, and I also took the blow dryer to it to help with it drying. Okay, so like I say before, everything that I do is self-explanatory, but for those who are visual learners, I took the lace band off after an hour, and then I started to comb out the hair once again, and now I'm on the styling part. So I wanted to do a side part, and I usually wear 13 by 6s because you get more space, like parting space. So this was kind of not really a hard thing to do, but it was okay. I've had 13 by 4s before, so I tried to make it do what it do. So like I said, I wanted to do a side part, so now I'm just parting it out however I want it. And then I do go in with some tweezers and pluck it because it said it came pre-plucked, but it was looking too wiggish to me, so I just plucked it a little bit more. I didn't want to get too tweezer happy, so I just did what looked, you know, better than what it came. So now I'm going to take some Lotta Body mousse and spray it on the hair, not spray, put it on the hair, and then I take a comb and comb it through the hair just to get it to lay down so I can mold it, so to speak.
Girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with him. Ay, catch me in the whip ride with him. Ay, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with him. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I can lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual.
So this is where I took the tweezers and started to tweeze. Like I said, I didn't want to be tweezer happy and start tweezing away hairs and make it bald, so I did part out the edges part, like the baby hairs, and then I tweezed each of the section I parted out for the baby hairs, as you see here, just because I like dramatic and big baby hairs, but I didn't want it to be too thick. So that's that.
I get you on your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Oh, girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we could give it all that we got. Too late for this shit right. Too busy for this shit right. I want to talk about it.
And I did cut them, and I started using the Lotta Body to lay it down, but then I switched over to the Got to Be Glue gel, and then I also used the Got to Be Used blast and spray. Because when you use both of them together, they have a good hold.
He's speeding a rape, all his hand on my coochie. He touching a million coochie, doing good, jump Gucci. Fly to Asia, he feeding me sushi. When we it feel like a movie. Rock, they never been a groupie. Still on a hoe, I like.
So this is what I came up with, and then if you want to leave it like that, you can. But I went on to style it with my wand curler. And then I used this spray to also help with laying the edges down.
And I love me yourself. When I get round, I might act like a hoe.
Miss Lucy. We filming no flick, no cupid. Twist on her like she fidget the Rubik. As soon as we pull up, we hit the jacuzzi. So we take it to the button her back. Ayy, living that shit, no rubber, yeah. Like butter, I'm coming right back. Ayy, ayy. Ain't even whipping, I ain't coming no hoop. The whole eyes don't proud, no truth. She on my top, made a mess, no truth. Tryna earn, keep, had a flex on her. Don't even think about the rest, she ain't on the break, she the best on her. Got my keys.
He's getting no right while they stand on my coochie. He touching a million coochie. Doing good, I'm Gucci. Fly to Asia, he feeding me sushi. When we f***ing, it feel like a movie. Rock, ain't never been a groupie. Step on a hoe, I like my nigga bougie. Tell me you don't never wanna lose me.
So yeah, you want to add the color or, you know, foundation, concealer, whatever you want to use on your parting. I put it in the parts where you part out your baby hairs, and also in the parting of the style, if that makes sense. I do use eyeshadow. I don't really like to use concealer or foundation too much because it does make the wig kind of look dirty to me. So I use eyeshadow because you can keep putting it on there and it'll fade. So that is what I'm doing, and make sure you use a color that is a shade lighter because your scalp is lighter than your actual skin tone, so be mindful of that. And I'm taking the hot comb just to lay it down more. Even though I added the lot of body moves to it, I still use the hot comb just to lay it flat.
She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say, why don't we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna, girl, I know you wanna.
So this is my wand curler that I got from Amazon, and it came with different attachments, but I just used this one because I wanted a slightly bigger curl. I did frame the front piece of the hair just to frame my face. I didn't add any other layers throughout the hair. And then I took the hot comb and laid the front a little bit flatter, and then you guys will see the finished look. But I thank you guys for watching, and if you do want to see more videos like this, I also do lifestyle and vlog videos, but you know, I try to do what I can. But yeah, thank y'all for watching, and I hope you like this look. And let me know if you made it this far in the video. Comment a heart emoji in the comments, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, sugar babies.
Get to see, cause we going crazy. I'ma talk to you nice and treat you like a lady. But we getting calm, putting all your lady.